Did you know that up to 80% of your hair and skin health depends on the protein in your diet? Lack of protein can lead to dull skin and brittle hair. Let's fix that with a simple, delicious solution. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how homemade protein bites can transform your hair and skin. Packed with essential nutrients, these bites are the perfect solution for a natural glow and strong, healthy hair. Let's dive in. Hair thinning, breakage, and lifeless skin. These are common issues we all face. Most of the time, they're caused by poor nutrition and a lack of essential proteins and vitamins. While topical treatments only go so far, nourishing your body from within is the real game changer. Here's the secret: our protein bites are made with powerhouse ingredients like almonds, rich in vitamin E for skin hydration, chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids for elasticity, and dates, loaded with iron to combat hair loss. Combine these with protein-rich peanuts or oats, and you've got a snack that works wonders for your body. Don't just take my word for it. One of our viewers shared their experience after a month of enjoying these protein bites daily. Their hair became visibly shinier, and their skin developed a radiant glow, and it's all thanks to this nutrient-packed recipe. You can achieve these results too. So, there you have it. Protein bites aren't just delicious, they're a natural way to nourish your hair and skin. A small snack with big benefits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and share this with someone who needs a little glow up in their life. See you in the next video.